Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. I didn't really mean to do this, but because this is a semi-scripted font and you've got these cold, hard cuts through here, we could change that. If you'll take the shape tool, get where your nodes are and grab those 4 nodes and go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and we're going to just pick 0.01 and just give it a little bit of a curve look. You know, we could do the same thing on here. Take the shape tool. Now, every one of them is going to be a little bit different because this particular case has a few nodes. So I would maybe delete some of these nodes that are close that do not really change it. And you could actually, well, we're going to change this quite a bit. Let's put this down here. But grab those 4 nodes right there and do the same thing. And it, you know, it might just be a better look. And if I was going to do that, I would do, you know, even these tips, even though we didn't change that, you know, unless the customer has to have it like that. And in this case, we could grab all 4 of those nodes at one time. Just a suggestion. I like, well, one, I like showing things that can be done. Let's see what happens when we delete these 2 nodes, nothing. And, you know, if you look at it, maybe make you a copy of it. And if you're doing this for a customer, you know, maybe send it to them before you do it and just say which, you know, where I'm having, I'm having a little bit of problem with the stencil. Look, how do you like this? And I would be willing to bet that they would like that. I don't know, just an idea. Hope that helped. Well, let me fill it in. Let me pick something besides brown. I just think it maybe would look a little bit, and I didn't do the corners of that, which is probably the most important one. Whoop. I'm glad I decided to do that. Let's zoom in here to this one and grab our shape tool back. Now, if you look, there's a node right there, delete it. This is one of those cases that would be kind of, well, maybe I can get all 4 and not get anything else. See, I think that changes the font dramatically, kind of makes it look like it's made for that. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.